felt the weight of a seagull's shadow. I heard the cry of those who died without freedom, and a free than me with more dignity than me. It no longer makes sense for me to stay here. I killed those who loved me with silence, hid the truth behind the mask of normality. I ran along your street so fast that I left myself behind, denying myself to my madness, denying myself to my freedom. And then destroy. Way to family loose on families, superpositions of faces upon